Hey, Mindful Mentors 12 fam! Picture this. Can you really turn $100 into $10,000 by 2026? Sounds wild, right? Today, I'm diving into the hottest corner of the market, AI-powered biotech penny stocks, all trading under $5. If you're a beginner, or just love the thrill, buckle up, this could be your ticket to the AI biotech revolution. First up, why even care about AI biotech penny stocks? Biotech is growing over 15% a year, and artificial intelligence is like rocket fuel making drug discovery faster and cheaper. Now, penny stocks are volatile, they can soar or crash in a heartbeat. But with $100, you can grab a ton of shares and ride the wave if just one company gets that big FDA approval or a partnership with Big Pharma. But heads up, high risk, high reward. You could lose it all, so research is key. Ready for my 10 explosive picks? Let's get into it. Stock hash 1, Exscientia, ticker XAI, trading around $3. This company's using AI to discover new drugs, teaming up with giants like Bristol Myers Squibb. If their trials go well, some analysts see 100% upside. Stock hash 2, Recursion Pharmaceuticals, RXRX, near $4.50. Recursion uses AI to make drug development faster and smarter, and they've got multiple drugs close to big milestones. Stock hash 3, Lantern Pharma, LTRN, around $2. Lantern's using AI to repurpose old drugs for cancer. Early data looks promising for a breakout in 2026. Stock hash 4, Singular Genomics, OMIC, trading at $1.50. They're using AI for high-speed DNA sequencing, huge for personalized medicine, and that market is exploding. Stock hash 5, Co-Diagnostics, CoDX, about $2. They make AI-powered diagnostic tests, especially for infectious diseases, a big market after the pandemic. Stock hash 6, Ethlon Medical, AEMD, under $1. This is a moonshot. They've got AI-driven blood filters for cancer and viruses with FDA trials coming up. High risk, but wow, what a story if it works. Stock hash 7, Vincerex Pharma, Vinc, around $1. Another tiny company using AI for new cancer drugs with some exciting early trial results. Stock hash 8, BigBear.ai, BBI, near $2. You might know them for defense analytics, but they're now using AI for drug discovery, and those government contracts give them an extra stability boost. Stock hash 9, Innodata, INOD, about $3. Innodata does AI-powered data processing for biotech companies. Not flashy, but it's a sleeper pick with a low valuation and big potential for 2026. Stock hash 10, Sorrento Therapeutics, SRNE, around $2. They're using AI for cancer and pain management drugs, and their pipeline is super diverse. A single success could send this stock flying. So, how do you even start? Take your $100 and split it evenly, $10 in each stock. Use a no-fee broker like Robinhood or Webull so you don't waste money on fees. Watch for catalysts, clinical trial results, FDA approvals, or new partnerships. Set stop losses, maybe 20 to 30% below your buy price to protect yourself. If you're new, start a watch list and paper trade to test your ideas without risking real cash. Here's the truth. AI biotech penny stocks are a roller coaster. You could lose your entire $100, so never invest what you can't afford to lose. Do your homework on each company's technology pipeline and finances. Follow biotech news closely, especially FDA decisions and AI partnerships. Yes, these stocks could 100x, but discipline is everything. Think before you leap, and always consult a pro if you're not sure. If you got value from this video, smash that thumbs up, share it with your investing crew, and subscribe for more wealth-building tips every week. Comment below, out of these 10 AI biotech stocks, which one are you watching? Join the conversation, and I'll catch you in the next video.